Hi guys, I've got this beautiful 2-bedroom townhouse coming up on the market, located in the heart of Ingleburn. This is, I think, personally one of the better ones. Low strata, just recently renovated, floorboards, downlights, new coat of paint. Got the split aircon in here, kitchen with dishwasher. You've got an extra toilet in here. Beautiful backyard. This will suit a young family or an owner-occupier. And for an investor, this would be perfect with low strata. So I'll take you upstairs. That's the floorboards throughout. Bathroom in here, bedroom with built-ins. That's the second bedroom. So this one, if you are looking for something that is reasonably priced and has good bones, good structure,